Today I'm going to be trying out these 10 metallic TwinMarkers booster pack by DecoTime. So they're water-based ink and they have two tips, a brush tip and a fine tip on each end of the pen. They were £5 in B&M bargains, I think, yeah, that's where I got them from. So the writing length is 180 metres. I don't know who's measured that, but apparently they have. They're the triangular shape and they have the colour number on and the name on the lids. They are TwinMarkers and they include the Deco Tray inside. It says to store them horizontally as well. Now I'll be comparing these also to, if you've already seen the other video that I did, this 36 mixed TwinMarkers, and they came with 12 metallic TwinMarkers in them. So those ones have the colour names written on and these have different numbers and different names written on, and when I opened these they were like thinner pens, they weren't the usual thick DecoTime markers. So let's just have a look in this booster pack. So inside they come in the little plastic deco tray that has the bumps on it and the holes on it. So if I just demonstrate with one of my other deco trays, even though this is the one with the thinner pens in it, they all still clip in together. So that will just, oh, if I put it the right way around, will just clip on top of there. So they all still fit together even though they are the thinner pens. So I've just wrote out a little chart here. They're the pens that I already tested in the 36 mixed set. And today we're going to put these 10 new colours on the chart and see how they compare to the other one. I also tested in my other video the metallic pens from the 36 mix set wrote on black paper. The glitter ones not so much when I tried those. So we'll also try them on the black paper, see if they work on that as well. And then I've got this piece of paper just to see if they bleed through to the other side, because they did in the other set. But these specifically say on the box that they are water based, so we'll just test that out and see if they bleed through the paper. So there are all the colours tested, and as you can maybe see, they are quite metallic. They do have a sheen to them. So the new colours, starting from the black here, they are different colours in this booster pack. There's more pinks and purple, and the blue is different to the other blue, and the green. The metallic silver kind of looks a little bit green to me, rather than a silver colour. So I think in the 36 mixed pack there's a better gold in there, because there isn't really a super yellowy gold in this. That's more of a rose gold or a bronzy kind of gold colour. So they are different colours. Also, let me just compare the nib size to the ones that have the slightly thinner barrel, the fine nib and also the brush tip. And then if we just pick one of these with the thicker barrel and compare the nib, it's a little bit thicker, that fine nib. And then the brush tip is actually a bit thinner, unless that goes thicker the more you use it and it becomes softer. So I've also tried them on the black paper, nice bright colours. So if you would prefer maybe brighter metallic colours, I think this booster pack of 10 is brighter. And then let's have a look on the other side. These haven't gone through, but when I tried out these ones, they did seem to, I don't know, did they go through or did they not go through? Let's give it a good, maybe they didn't go through. I can't remember what happened in the video. I don't think they did go through, but the alcohol markers in the set did. Let me just demonstrate that. This is one of the alcohol markers out of the 36 mixed set, and that one does go through. So yeah, the metallics, they do seem to be water based in both the sets then, even though it doesn't really say water based on the other mixed set, but they didn't go through the paper. And this is really thin paper, like what you would get in your diary. Also, let's just test if the shine rubs off. A very tiny little bit, but it's not, they're not smudgy, not really, so that's quite good. So that is the 10 metallic twin marker booster set by DecoTime. So good for adding a little shiny effect to your crafts and colouring, and it's not bad that you can buy little sets just to collect and add to your larger Deco Tray sets as well. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all next time.